Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shelly and I am back with another video. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for the vibes. Happy Vlogmas! So we're having car problems. Let me show y'all my wipers. My wipers is doing the willy bones to the left, to the right, to the right, to the left, and it's raining and I have kids in the car. I had actually stopped to advance auto parts. Yeah, I could take the chances with me, but with other people's lives, that's a no-no. So we're here at auto parts. Yeah, I'm gonna get these wipers changed. Like what's that? Like what's that? What's that? Like really? Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna get it fixed right now. So let's go into the store and see if we purchase it, if someone is gonna put it on for us so we could get our day started. Yes. Okay. Question: if I purchase a windshield wiper, do you guys have someone that's gonna install it for me?
A small Christmas tree, not a big Christmas tree. Look at it. Guys, small Christmas tree, big Christmas tree. Small Christmas tree.
Yeah, because it's only drizzling right now. Okay. I have a Nissan. We're in here.
I'm gloves right now. I'm gloves right now. I'm on these right now. I'm on these.
Now with kids in the car.
Maybe later, but not today.
Not today, Can't take no chances today. But she's putting them on for me. Don't worry.
What you did over there? What you did?
Let me come on this side.
Looking for you? Looking for you, Carl.
Yeah, start moving.
You say you start moving?
You?
Yeah, but I didn't put her face in it because I didn't ask her.
Why not?
I didn't ask her.
Would you like a YouTuber?
You want your face in it?
Yeah, but that's what the ladies are
As
doing.
long as I get famous.
What the ladies are doing their thing.
Okay.
Yeah,
Tell them hi. Big yourself up.
Oh, man.
Yeah,
Ever big up, man.
that's right.
Large.
She said females can do it too with your toy.
Batteries and all, I'm telling you.
Right.
Don't go to AutoZone, come to Advance.
That's right.
That's what she comes to.
Thank you, honey.
You're welcome. You
Have a good one.
day.
You too. Bye, boo.
Wait, turn them on. Let me see something.
Okay. My nephew said, a girl fix your thingy? A girl fix your windshield wipers? A girl? Yes, a girl. Girls can do it too. So, we are back in business. Let's go. I have some returns to do. I need to actually get the codes for these Amazon returns. It's already 105. Yeah, we gotta go. I'm trying to avoid these kids from being in this room. I'm not trying to exploit these children. You know, just creating memories. Oh, I think I'm too far, huh? I'm too far? I am too far. Here. Hold on, let me reverse. I'm too far.
Maya, when they do this, they do.
I have you stretching for your day life. Can I have an extra cup, please?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
What is it? This is spoon.
Here.
Do you have to eat me?
Thank you. Thank you. Here we go. Take out some of the ice cream in both of them and give Sakai one, because I know he ain't gonna eat that for sure.
Hey, you want to share me?
Share your ice cream with him. He want both of them. That's what I said to you, Maya. Are you still asking? You don't want to give him any of yours? Because you heard me say to share both of them with him. I got me a cheeseburger for me. I normally put ketchup in mine.
What's it? You do more of it? That's what you do.
It didn't say you cannot turn here.
Let's make it freeze. Freeze.
What is this GPS saying? Turn left. Why did they tell me to turn around again?
So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like
You turn here. So I made it to UPS. The only thing is that they was able to get 2 of the packages or 2 of the items returned. I have to go to Whole Foods to return the other ones. But yeah, here. I'm returning my AT&T modem fiber. Yeah, but anyway, this is what I have on. Let me show you guys. I think I look cute.
Alright, so I'll Wi-Fi down, so I can't process it right now, but if you leave it here, I can do it for you later, okay?
Okay, how am I gonna know that you did it?
I'll give you a call. And if you got email, I'll see you on receipt to the email.
Yes, please.
Right now.
Thank you. Oh, you're so nice. Put you guys here.
This one is supposed to be good. I just like to
What's your name?
My name is Brill.
Freon. Here you go. So it's my entire name, 26@gmail.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Freon. Have a good day. Let's go. Are we waiting on Kai? Let's go. Grab the umbrella.
I get it. This is the African song. Rami is what African?
Let's go where? Where?
Chick-fil-A!
Your mama ain't send no Chick-fil-A money, you know. Next time we could go to Chick-fil-A another day. Another time. Not tomorrow either.
Tomorrow she was getting carried as Chick-fil-A.
Yeah. Tell it to it. But anyways, guys, we're headed to Whole Foods so that we can return the other 2 packages, and then my day ends today because I'll be headed to work. And
I don't want to.
Unless you guys want to go to work with me, I can, you know, can't show much because I'm in healthcare, you know. For HIPAA purposes, you really can't show much. But yeah, today was a very exciting day. I was able to return some of my packages. I still have more packages to return. Yeah, I need my money. I need my money. So yeah, that's why I'm returning these packages. I normally don't return packages, but yeah, I need my money. Run me my coins. All of them. All of it. Yes. I no longer need those things. They did not work for what I needed it for. So yeah, we're headed to Whole Foods. Oh, I'm supposed to turn that light.
I remember the thing when you used to say Bahama Air and Bahama.
Show y'all.
Jet? No, jet blue. No, and the plane might be the same. Jet. This way we are. This way we are. I see.
I don't even remember this. It's like right here in front. I have brought Charlie to this theater. Me and Charlie had came here to watch a movie. Now I remember where I'm at. Go ahead, lady.
Go ahead.
I'll see you guys outside. So that was very, very easy, and it was very quick. We didn't even stay in there for 2 minutes, to be honest. It didn't even take
Just
2
like
minutes.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Trying to get remote of the clip.
Like that's it. We gone. Just like 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Just 1, 2, 1, 2. Why the platform fall on that?
But yeah, sit down, Sakai, and put your seatbelts on, please.
My seatbelt's on. My
Yeah, so that was so easy. They gave them stickers. Let me show them your stickers that she only gave you 3.
She was 4.
Give me the extra one.
There. I put it in my bag.
Well,
I put it in the bag.
Jabe put it in her bag already. Let me get
Yeah,
the
let's have it.
GPS.
Should I pick up that next box then, man? Right, you don't look it. It's right there underneath. You don't look for them.
I'm gonna drop them home, and I'm going. It's 18 minutes.
Here's 197. Annie Shirley. Girl, you want to see it? Yeah, Annie Shirley. Annie Shirley. The last one is a panda, and the next one is a giraffe. Wait, what the next one? I mean,
They gave them stickers. I was like, that's so cute. Your hair.
Thank you. And this one. Blackboard.
I was just driving with vibes. I 20 minutes away from these kids.
Sakai. I have two. Maya or Maya one. Sakai. Yes, Sakai. These Sakai. Well, Jimmy, you have two. And you take them to me. What toy? No, no. There? You must believe it. I like it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I forget if y'all was even on and I was talking to y'all. But anyways, it was a smooth process. They scanned the package. They scanned my QR code that I had on the phone. And that was it. It's a very, very easy process when it comes to returning your items. One thing I must say is that I need to get better with returning items, because if you don't need it, why hold on to it? Because sometimes what happens is when I ordered things, I would order maybe like 2 or 3 of the same thing just to make sure that is exact, that I can get the exact sizing that I need. And most of the times what happens is when I order the thing, I would take the one that I want and then still keep the ones that I don't want. So because of that, y'all be quiet please. Because of that, it causes me to have a lot of things that I'm not using, and that's money wasted, right?
I can tell you.
So now what I do is that I return the items. To be honest, I used to feel bad going back to the store, or not even to say going back to the store to return the stuff, because I never used to do it. But when I'm in the store and I see someone coming with their bags of return items, I used to be like, why would they even purchase it if they don't want it? But now that I'm in that position, I realize that you don't knock it until you try it, and not until you've been there you can actually talk on it, type of thing. So it's like, why keep it if you don't need it? And you did purchase it with your money. So yeah, I just want to encourage someone out there that probably felt or is feeling the same way. I had the same analogy in their brains of returning your items. If you don't need the item, don't keep the item, just return it, because there's someone out there that possibly needs it and you're holding on to it, although you purchase it, but they can have use of that item. So yeah, so I feel good that I returned the item. It says process started now, item received, and then the next thing is run me my money. 410th Street. Yeah. I don't know why they have us coming through this chip corners, but anyways. Bye guys. See y'all later. Love you. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye, everybody. Bye.
Y'all want to say bye?
Bye. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and hit the link in the bio on Instagram. Bye. Bye. Out. Peace.
Peace. All right then. See y'all later. Love you. Bye.